LPS Cheetah here, guys, and sorry I didn't say hi. Yeah, so, yeah. Okay, that was a weird. So I'm going to show you my kitty. Right here. Oh my gosh! She is totally killing me. Shock. I want to kill her. I'm kidding. Her name is Candace. She is adorable. Oh my gosh! Not my hand. Not my hand. Yeah. Look at her weenie. Ew. Ew. Oh. What are you biting? Wanna get up, baby? I'm carrying her. Oh, I got an idea. I think I was killing her. I'm gonna put her in my toys. Bismillah, I hope she doesn't bite it. No. You know what? No. Scaredy cat. Oh my god, look what she did. Oh no. Candace, baby. I just want to, like, oh my gosh, I just want to squeeze her right now. My cat is so humongously crazy. Oh my gosh. Oh, she's right over here. This video camera is kind of bad, but whatever. Do you know that you want me to? Yeah. Bye bye guys. Please rate, comment, like, and subscribe. Bye.